front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on microphone at the top right corner. Then select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. If you don't have a microphone icon though, all you need to do is click on this gear, select voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then tap on it and use it. Quick tip, you can also tap on your microphone and tap on tiny icon that will appear right next to it. This one. Then choose next, select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, tap on this button with an X. To move it around, hold it, drag it, and place it wherever you want to. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!